Hello my dear friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Today we will start a new book, Grammar Pathways for Class 2, published by Children's Voice Publication. Now in our last chapter we have studied that what we call to the group of different animals. In this chapter, chapter number 21, Sound of Animals. We will study the sounds of different animals. In our class 1, we have studied the homes of different animals, the young ones of different animals. In previous chapter, we have studied what we say to the group of animals. Now we will study the sounds of different animals. So, recite with me the name of the animal honey bee. So, sound is hums. What is the hums? A cock crows. So what is the sound of cock? Crows. Animal bird and the sound is chirps or sings. Chirps and sings. Okay. A dog barks. A dog barks. A crow caws. A crow caws. Caw, caw, like this. A donkey brays. Donkey brays. A elephant trumps. Elephant trumps. A lion roars. Roars. Owl hoots. Owl hoots. A pig grunts. Pig grunts. A mouse squeaks. Squeaks. Horse neigh. A donkey brays. So, kids, you also learn these sounds. Okay? So, thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day. So, I hope kids, you have understand the chapter. Now practice it at home. Thank you and thanks for watching.